Jesus, there is none like you. I wanna see your kingdom come. I wanna see your will be done. Oh God, I wanna see your kingdom come. I wanna see your will be done. Yeah. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will bring it down to the ground. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will wear it down. Whether in a jam down or Cape Town, come to the kingdom today. All of your many transgressions, the Lord will erase today. The kingdom of the Father is here. Forgiveness and mercy here. Grace and pardon here. It will really sit upon you this year. See your kingdom come. I wanna see your will be done. Hey, the wages of sin bring nothing but that's in destruction. But if you come unto Him, He will give you some clarification. The glory to the King, all kindred, all people, all nation. If you come unto Him, He will give you some clarification. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will bring it down to the ground. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will bring it down. Tell them we no run but we no play. We lift up Jesus Christ on today. Me shout with my voice in parade. He came in out the world to save the whole lot away. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will bring it down to the ground. Righteousness exalts a nation. Sin will give you nothing but frown.